Okay, I'm working on a 1997 Ford F250. It's got the 7.3 diesel in it. This is what it does when I try to start it. Glow plug went off. Everything else is good. Tries, but I won't go nowhere. So, let's go pop the hood. Seeing how we already popped it. Maybe one of you guys can tell me what I need to do to fix this, or whatever. I've already changed the fuel filter. So this is what we're spraying in it. Spray a little bit there. Phew, that stuff stinks. Okay, now we're gonna try this again. Now watch what it does. Wait to start. Uh-oh. Maybe I didn't spray enough. Let me show you. Spray some more of that stuff in there. Hear the noises that it's making? I have no idea. Must be the fuel pump. I'm not sure. Just need a little help here is all I'm asking. Maybe somebody knows what the heck's going on here with this diesel, because I have no idea. I definitely don't have the money to be throwing at it to fix it. Wait to start again. Uh-oh. Oh. Yeah, don't do that. Something's wrong. I'm scared.